Hello everyone. This is a small video regarding the usage of Google Forms which we have to use to make question papers. So first of all, click on Google and type Google Forms. After typing Google Forms, click on search and you will get such kind of screen in front of you. Click on the very first link. When you will click here, you will get such kind of a page in front of you, and then click on go to Google Forms. When you will click on Google Forms, you will get an untitled form which is totally blank, nothing has been given in this. So first of all, what we have to do, click on thoughts and then click on settings. As we have to make it as a question paper, so we swipe it and choose quizzes here and make the quiz. Then we will untick these three options which are given there. After that, click on presentation and untick this link, show link to submit another response, and then click on save. After doing this, you will see that on this right side total points option has appeared. After that, click on untitled form, write the name of the class and subject, like I am doing it for class 9th, so it will be English 9th. After doing this, click on untitled form here. It will automatically get English 9th, but we have to change it with the school name. So you will have to write Ganga International School. In the form description, you will write periodic test 2 class, for which you are making the question paper. Then you may click on this T button at the bottom on titles, and you will write here subject English, and then you may write date of examination, date, for example it is July 27 2020. Then again you may click on title button and put instructions here. Instructions are same that we had used in your PT1. I have already copied them and going to paste them here. So these are the instructions which you have to write. I will just put it in the message as well. After doing this, we have to start doing the work. So first of all, we have to enter the name, admission number and class. So write it here, name. While you will write name, you will see that this has automatically changed to short answer, and click on required. Then again we have to click on plus button and we have to go for the next option, that is admission number. When you will write the admission number, you will see that it has changed into short answer and response validation has added, where number is number, means only number will be acceptable there, and you have to click again on required. Make sure while you are preparing the question paper as well, you have to make all the questions required by clicking on such button, and then again you will click on plus button and write class and section. In this point you will go for drop down option. In drop down option 1 will be, like I am going for 9th A. Then in option 2 click 9th B, and in option C you may go for 9th C. So in this case you have done that main heading over there, that in which we are asking the details of the student. Then you may go for the next thing. Here we put title. As per the question type you have to put the title. For example, our first one is choose the correct option. This is the heading for the MCQs basically. So after that, click on plus button again. This was the title, and then you may, like for first question is who wrote the poem The Road not taken. For example, this is the question, so it's a multiple, it will be kept as multiple choice only, and here you have to put the options. For example, the first is William Shakespeare, second is Robert Frost, third is Jane Austen. So in this way you will go. Now the main thing which comes here, that is regarding the answer key, because if you are putting all the question in MCQ form, then it will be easy for you to evaluate. So for that purpose you have to click on this clipboard option, and you will see points. You have to assign the points 1 here, and then you have to choose the correct answer. For example, my answer is Robert Frost, so I will put it as this one and done. In the same way I can copy it here and put the second question. Where was he going? So again I'll have to change it over there. Like the first answer is forest, second option is sea, third option is road. Now for this point my answer is forest, so I will go for forest and untick the C point and done. And one more thing which I forgot in the previous question, that is required. In the same way you have to put it over here, required. After doing this thing, for example, you want to go for the second type of the questions which are your one word answers. So click on title again. You will write answer the following questions in one word only. So for this is the question heading which we are giving here, and then click on plus button, put the first question. Who was the teacher in first chapter? Now in this point you have to select short answer instead of multiple choice question, and again put on required. So in this way you will put all your questions, and one more thing is there, you need not save the question paper because it will get saved automatically. After that you may just come on the top and you can see the total points are here, and in this point I cannot put the answer because the fact is that students may write it in the different forms, so this we have to evaluate ourselves. So I am not putting any answer in this point. So you can see total points 3. After doing this thing, click on 3 dots, then click on preview to check if your question paper looks the same that we have done earlier. So you can see Ganga International School, grade S2, class 9, subject English, date, and then instructions are given. Name will be written, admission number will be written, then class and section to be chosen, and then we have to put the answer, and finally after doing this student will submit the question. So in this way you have to write all the question papers and prepare them, and once you have prepared them you will click on this send button, click on the second option, shorten the link, copy that, and that will be sent to the concerned person, and then after that to the students. So this is the way in which you have to make the question paper. Now one more thing that you have to make sure is while preparing the question paper you have to be logged in with your Gmail ID on Google, that like I have put up here. So in this way you have to do that. Thank you for this watching this video, and if you have any doubt you can ask me at any moment. Thank you.